In this video, I show you how to fix error code 261 Roblox on mobile. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Roblox app. Now click on Roblox, up to date your Roblox if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Roblox app, click on Roblox, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Roblox app. And sign into your account. Continue. Now I hope that this method fix Roblox error code 261. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.